students, I'm Nityanand Upadhyay. I'm going to teach you computer application. This is the second season of word processor. As in the very first season we have learned what is word processor, what is MS Word and different tabs of MS Word. We have covered the home tab in our season 1. So in this season we will cover remaining tabs of MS Word. Now insert tab. This tab used to insert different objects in our document to make it more descriptive. The different groups available in this tab are page, table, illustration, apps, media, comments, header and footer, text, symbols. Those are groups of insert tab. In here you can see in the insert tab we can insert cover page, blank page, we can apply page break option, we can insert table, pictures, online pictures, shapes, smart art, chart, screenshots, we can insert online videos, we can insert links, we can put comments, we can insert header, footer, page number, we can insert text boxes, we can insert word art also, we can insert different type of equations or symbols. Now design tab. This tab provides several options formatting our document. These groups available in this tab are document formatting, page background. In the figure you can see the document formatting group and the page background. Page background we can apply watermark, we can apply page color, we can apply page border. Now page layout tab. This tab provides tools for setting a page like size, margin, etc. The different groups available in this tab are page setup, paragraph, arrange. The elements of page layout tab are margin, orientation, size, columns. In paragraph we can set the indentation, line spacing, and in arrange there are some, we can arrange position according to the objects. So these are the elements of page layout tab. Reference tab. It gives some advanced features of MS Word. This tab provides several options used to add reference of a page to another in a document. The group available in this tab are table of contents, footnotes, citations and bibliography, captions, index, table of authorities. You can see the elements of reference tab in the figure. Now mailing tab. Mailing tab is a special tab which gives us different tools through which we can generate a mass amount of email, envelope or letters. The different groups available in mailing tabs are create, start mail merge, write and insert fields, preview result, and finish. Elements of mailing tabs are, you can see here, we can create envelopes, labels. Start mail merge, it provides facility to create mass number of letters by typing only a single letter. All the options are related to that. Now review tab. This tab provides tools to give final touch to a document. The different group of this tab are proofing, language, comments, tracking, change, compare, protect. In the figure you can see the elements of review tab. We can apply these options according to our requirement. As you can see, very first we can apply spelling and grammar check. We can translate from one language to another. We can choose our particular language also. We can see the comments and other things. It is used by professionals. Now view tab. This group gives us option to change the look of our document, show and hide some options from window, etc. This tab contains following groups: views, show, zoom, windows, macros. Now elements of view tab are the figure you can see. Read mode, print layout, web layout. These are some views in which we can see our particular document. We can apply ruler, grid lines, navigation pane. We can zoom our particular document. We can divide our particular page in one page or multiple page. Okay, we can arrange our page. So these are few features of view tab which can be applied by us also and professionals. So thank you students. This is all about the different types of MS Word, and in the next season we will learn how to use the different options available in these tabs.